Hello everybody, and we are back sailing a new toy. This is an Old Town sailing canoe, or also known as a Wahoo. It is a 16-foot fiberglass canoe, and I went and scooped this thing up because I've got a Sirocco that kind of does a similar thing. It's like a canoe that you can also sail, but this is roof-toppable. So at 85 pounds, it's kind of at the very top of what I can at least haul onto a short station wagon. But this is a lot of fun. I was kind of looking for something like this because I was realizing that with my other sailing canoe being trailered, that I just don't really take it out very frequently. But with this one on the rooftop, I think I'll be able to haul it out a little bit more, you know, take it to work, bring it here right after. We are in the lovely Buffalo Harbor. You can see the skyline over there. It's blowing maybe 5 miles an hour. Oh, and we have a guest here, my lovely fiance, who is enjoying the junk, slow wind much more than I am. I like to go fast and she likes to cruise. But it's a pretty good shakedown for a new boat. My little rigging fell off. It's supposed to have like a additional pivot on the rudder, but it kind of fell. So now I'm just manning it manually. But so far it's been pretty nice. Some things that I like over the Sirocco is it's actually roomier, even though it's considerably tinier. It has these like twin dagger boards on either side as opposed to one big one in the middle, and that means you can fit more stuff in it. And considering I like to go canoe camping, that's pretty important to me. Also, it's fiberglass as opposed to plastic, and I can fix fiberglass and not plastic. Another thing is, something that I thought was pretty cool, we took our old sailing canoe and we put it on the Erie Canal. My buddy and I, we did a bit of sailing on the canal, and that was good fun. But one of the things that was kind of scary was that our mast was pretty high, and we just barely squeaked under some of those bridges. That just had like a normal old mast, and this has got the sunfish style. So you could drop it down and it'll be considerably shorter. And we can squeak right under those bridges. And I really would like to take another stab at the Erie Canal, especially in this. Again, much more camper friendly, able to haul around little stinker. Have I forgotten anything?
I don't know, I guess con.
Oh.
Things you don't like about it so far.
That's a good point. I'm pretty moony-eyed because it was very expensive, but in terms of cons, I don't think it sails quite as good as the Sirocco. The Sirocco is like an astonishingly good sailing boat for being a little bit of everything kind of boat. Sails really well. It can point pretty hard into the wind, and this thing, not so much. Cons, even though it is roof-toppable, like I said, it is barely roof-toppable. And I got a little bit of water in this thing, and I struggled getting it up there. So, very roof-toppable for two people. For one person, you gotta be one Hamel. I had a pretty tough time of it. And like I said, it doesn't quite sail as nice as the Sirocco. Day like today, it's perfect. And again, oh, that should be another positive. The boat is very girlfriend friendly, is it not? Thumbs up. Yes, we do not like the, here, throw on this harness and get on the end of the trapeze or we will fall in the water.
Yeah, stand on your tippy toes. Stand
on your tippy toes and do a crunch the entire time. Doesn't fly. You know, I said the boat is girlfriend friendly, but I don't think that applies universally.
Please Please consult with your girlfriend.
Please consult with girlfriend. Must not be afraid to get a little bit damp. I realize that as I see our considerably nicer sailboat full of people go by.
Yeah, it looks a lot more majestic.
Hey, we look majestic. You're the eyesore here. I'm the one looking handsome. You're just a lizard print.
I was thinking about getting you a matching one, but I guess I won't do that.
Yeah. Yeah. I won't wear it. I'm sorry.
Would you wear a plain one, but a sun hoodie?
No, I like my big hat.
I prefer the sun hoodie.
I like the big hat. The sun hoodie gets really hot against your skin if it actually is like a scorcher.
Sorry, my toe got stuck.
How are you doing with the tripod?
Doing good. The pretty surroundings.
Yeah, all the grain silos.
They're cool.
One of the lovely things that Buffalo has to offer is a tour of all the grain silos.
Yeah, boat tour. I don't know if you need something to do. You could learn all their names.
I know, but I think I'd watch paint dry before I did that.
Wow. Cool. Okay.
Another sailboat's coming out.
Where? Oh, over there?
Yes.
Okay. Too bad the most handsome skipper's already out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. That would be a great recording to get us flipping over.
Yeah, I'm one pro.
Yeah, I'm a pro. Nothing about it. Alright, probably gonna turn around now.
Okay. Should I duck?
Yeah, you're gonna need the duck, boss.
Okay. Duck. Oh, we turn around that way.
Yeah, we're tacking.
Okay.
Duck.
I know. I sat up and bonked my head.
What do you think about both of those?
You're handsome.
Yeah, why is that?
Handsome. You got nice calves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta hold myself in the boat. Not all of us can sit in the luxury chair.
I know. I believe you now what you said about canoes, about using your legs.
You gotta use the legs to hold yourself in.
Yeah. Maybe that's why you're so thick.
There goes our buddy. We're actually outpacing him.
Yeah, it's because he's dumb.
He's also only got a jib.
Yeah. I mean, we only have a jib up.
Now you're just messing with me.
It's probably the size of his jib.
Or the cuts, rather.
Tell another nautical joke.
No.
Well, I'll tell one. How about
Okay,
that?
tell us.
What's a pirate's favorite letter? No, it's the C.
Oh. It should totally be R.
Nah, it's the C. Get it? Like the letter C. Nah.
Walk the plank.
Yeah, take one of the dagger boards out.
Yeah. That's your plank. Perfect amount of wind.
I would say.
We're moving. We do a little bit of leaning. Not so much leaning that I pull whatever I pulled in my crotch at the gym.
Yeah. Plus, you're only getting closer to 30.
Thanks, boss.
You're welcome.
Is the nautical joke worse than the dad joke?
I mean, I would say the nautical jokes are a dad
A
joke.
subsection of the dad joke.
Yeah.
Okay.
Genre of dad joke.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, now I'm happy because we're moving a little more. How are you doing up there?
I'm doing good.
You look horribly uncomfortable.
It's way better than having to sit up like without a mattress.
Oh, probably just the life vest making it look bad.
Yeah, I'm totally comfortable.
Because you look like wrinkly puppy propped up in the corner kind of vibe.
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
It's all good. It's all good.
She's singing.
I know, it sounds like you're hitting the freaking rumble strips on the highway. Wake up, Noah. It's all a dream.
Yeah.
Fall asleep at the wheel.
Yeah, you're just heading back to Ohio again.
Yeah, you're
Ugh. Yeah, single in Ohio.
Yeah.
Nightmarish stuff.
That sounds like a sad country song.
Single in Ohio.
Single in Ohio.
That would make a decent country song. Could sing about all this stuff.
Single in Ohio. I don't know, I was thinking of a country song when it's winter in Alaska. When
Yeah.
it's winter in Alaska, you're 6 feet below.
I thought it was springtime.
Oh yeah, it's springtime in Alaska.
And it's winter in Alaska, you're 20 feet below. That's the way
Yeah.
it goes.
What?
Rip Diesel Dave. Pour one out for my man. Duck. Run, fool. Is that a loon?
No, that's not a loon. That's one of those birds I saw in Niagara Falls and I didn't know what it was.
Come back here. Be my best friend. What?
Watch out for your car.
Okay, fine. I'll turn around. How you doing, bub?
I'm ready to get off too.
You ready to get off? Sore butt?
Butt's getting in there, yeah.
Uh-oh.